Getting into some weather because while you were sleeping, it was hot. It was 90 degrees at midnight last night. At 3 a.m. it was still 87. Last hour it was 84, and that's where we find ourselves right now. 84 degrees, 10 degrees warmer than what you stepped out to yesterday, but same amount of mugginess. It is very muggy. You can see some thunder dunders in the distance. They are putting down some rain down to the south right now, and those dew points, most areas are in those sultry 70s. It is just swampy as you step outside this morning. A lot of areas off to the central and southeast are in the 80s, some 70s up to the northwest. We do have a cool front that's slowly but surely making its way. It's really only going to offer relief up to our northern counties, but you can see the winds coming in from the north up to the north. Everywhere else is seeing those southwesterly winds, and it is breezy out ahead of that front right now. So here's a look at the front, and here's a look at the storms. They're just extending along this line as they move into central Iowa. Like taking a look right now, we do have it along I-80 right there from Grinnell in through the Brooklyn area. Lots of lightning and some heavy downpours as these start to move off to the east. Same areas keep getting hit because these storms have that easterly motion to them. So Pella, you guys are seeing some of the heavier downpours right now. This did put down some 3/4 inch size hail earlier just south of Indianola. You might briefly see some hail, but it's staying below severe limits, which is 1 inch. And this line does continue to extend down to Lorimar. And then as you look, we have some tail end Charlies. They're still trying to connect to the line, but right now they're a little bit more scattered in nature off to the southwest. So these are going to wrap up around 10 a.m. and then as we get through the afternoon, some dry time before our next round does fire up this evening. These are the ones that we're concerned about to be severe. So this initial wave gets out of our way, and then by this evening we will see showers and thunderstorms develop. As they move down to the south, they will form a line. They will start to bow out, which means wind is going to be the primary threat as they move out. We'll be left with some rain through the overnight hours, but that clears out in time for Wednesday. Lots of sunshine across central Iowa on Wednesday, but we have to get there first. We do have the potential to see hail up to 2 inches in diameter with those wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. Luckily, the rain stays where we need it to stay, which is south of the area that is flooded along our northern border and into the Fort Dodge Humboldt area. Taking a look at today, 94, feeling more like 100 to 105 this afternoon with those storms redeveloping this afternoon. Then we'll get rid of the storms pretty early in the night. Lingering rain will stick with us, 70 in town, some 60s outside of town. And that 10-day forecast, take a look at this. Some relief tomorrow into the 80s. Not as muggy, but still sticky. The one day, if you're looking for some relief from the humidity, it's Sunday, Chinoo. It's practically a windows open day. Top out at 80 with less humidity.